If you created your Discord account before the username format change, you might have noticed that after updating your username, a little hashtag icon appears on your profile. If people hover over it, they will see your old username. For example, when I hover over the hashtag icon, I see it says originally known as, followed by my old username along with the hashtag and the 4-digit number. Here's how to turn it off or hide your old username. At the bottom left corner where your profile picture is, click on the gear icon next to it and then click on Profiles. Scroll down just a tiny bit and you'll find a line that says Legacy Username Badge. When it is green with a check mark, it means it is on, allowing people to see it. Click on it to toggle it off. When it's off, people won't see the icon anymore. For more Discord-related videos, check out the description.